In this video, I'll be having a little discussion about the 1/10 arrma V30 3S BLX 4-wheel drive monster truck. This is your boy Bobby's RCs back with another video about RC cars and trucks. In this video, I'll be having a discussion about the 1/10 arrma V30 3S BLX 4-wheel drive monster truck. I'm not going to try and make this video too long. I'm just trying different stuff. Well, I'll go over everything and stuff. Well, I really don't. Well, the pros and cons. Well, I don't have the arrma one, but I'm not saying nothing bad about it. But everybody on YouTube does have one, so I guess it does seem like a good basher and stuff. And it just keeps going and going and going. So that's going to be my two things about the pros. Well, now on to the cons and stuff. I've seen on YouTube here lately that people's been having trouble with their ESCs and their the steering bell crank and stuff. They've been saying the steering bell crank is kind of sloppy. And also, people's been saying that the wheels and stuff that the wheels are kind of floppy and stuff. And also about the tires that come on the arrma bigrock when you first get it. I've also heard that they're really not that good. I don't know, because I don't handle bigrock. I'm not saying nothing bad about it. But I've also heard that you can put tires on your bigrock from your arrma granite 4-wheel drive truck, and it makes it a whole lot better. And here's the other part. I know every RC car, that you buy, when you bash it pretty hard, I know stuff is going to break on it. And usually you can find stuff on eBay. Here is, well, a couple of things. Like the side guards, the towers, the mounts, bulkhead, and bumpers. You can get all that, I guess, in one lot for $29.92. And for the 14mm metal hex hubs and stuff with the pin, They are $9.74. And the BLX 100 ESC is $52.74. And for the front and the rear hubs or the bearings are $18.96. And for the aluminum motor mount for the fan, it is $23.92. And for the Spectrum servo, it is $14.74. And for the center slider drive shafts, they are $11.97. So, there you go, guys. I'm not saying nothing bad about arrma, but, well, what I'm trying to say is that why would you spend all that money? Well, spend all your money that I guess it already has minor things already wrong with it. I ain't saying nothing bad about it or anything, but I'm just saying, but before they even, well, send all the new stuff out, why can't they check all that stuff? You guys get what I'm trying to say? If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and as always, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for updates when I upload a video on YouTube, so you all can be the first to get notified to watch my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Later, guys.